Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lemlist for personalized outreach at scale step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Lemlist website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Sign up for a new account by filling in the required details. Check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Log in to your Lemlist account with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a Campaign button to start a new outreach campaign. Choose a name for your campaign that reflects its purpose. Next, select your campaign type, either cold email or warmer outreach. Now, upload your contact list using the Upload Contacts option. Ensure your list is formatted correctly as per Lemlist's guidelines. After uploading, assign the necessary fields like first name and last name. With your contacts ready, proceed to personalize your email sequence. Draft your initial outreach email in the provided template. Utilize personal attributes such as the recipient's name and company for better engagement. Set follow-up emails to automate your outreach further. Make sure to schedule your emails at optimal times for your target audience. Review your email sequence for any errors or improvements. Once you're satisfied, click on the Launch Campaign button. Monitor the engagement metrics on your dashboard after launching. Adjust your campaigns based on the performance data you collect. Utilize A/B testing to experiment with different email styles and messages. Continue to refine your approach for maximum impact. Utilize Lemlist's analytics tools to track your results effectively. Remember to keep your outreach targeted and personalized throughout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.